It's the way you make me feel. I can be who I want to be.
Masaya ako kasi ito na, pinakahintay namin. No, malapit na. Ito, malapit na pa. Maglalakad na ako sa altar. Na nandun siya. Naghihintay sa akin. Ganun.
I knew it would be something I won't forget. You went ahead with your love that's bright like the sun. Love you.
Parang December siya nag-propose, tas July, nag-ano na kami. Kaya sobrang bilis lang namin nag-prepare.
Promise I'll keep you warm. Our love shines bright like the sun. Doo-doo-doo. Ba-da-ba-da. There ain't nothing better than
Bubuo kami ng sariling pamilya. Siyempre, yun talaga yun. Yun. Doon kami excited. Makabuo ng sariling pamilya.
by this love that's bright like the sun. Love you forever. That's for sure.
Masaya naman. Masaya. Siyempre, hindi naman perfecto. Pero masaya. Masaya kami.
Sounds just right to me. And my painting's hanging on the wall. So you
Mahal ko eh. Yun, mahal ko siya eh. Yun lang. Wala akong ibang maisip na rason eh. Pero ayun, mahal ko lang. Mahal ko lang talaga.
Solid ang fit yan. Poging-pogi. Congrats, tol.
Thank you,
Alam
tol.
mo na yan.
Thank you.
I just love you. Some otherwise yet hard to say. Things of sincerity nowadays. Oh, why are we all so afraid of saying something real? 'Cause she was lying in the sun.
Aiden. Oh, Aiden.
The words I just love.
7 years. Magre-resign na ako dun sa work mismo doon. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, sige, kung seryoso ka, i-chat mo ko kahit hindi ako nagre-reply. Kasi nag-training ako sa Bucor. 3 months yun, Tapos yun nga, nagchat-chat siya. Tapos kahit wala akong reply, chat rin siya ng chat. Ayaw kasi magpabukas. Kasi babalik niya yan eh. Charis.
Smile on your lips when you walk into a room. It's the birthday card you drew that make me love you. I just
It is different from your relationship. yung pagmamahalan ninyong dalawa, ang relasyon ninyong dalawa ay kailangan maging matatag.
Nobody knows just why
It is like rooted from the ground because it is the foundation of your relationship. Na ang ugat na ito ng pag-ibig ay hindi kailanman pwedeng sirain ng sino man.
I know, right?
Ganda.
Yung thing ko.
Kainis. Ang sarap ito niya.
of us conspired to meld our lives and make us fewer.
Alagaan ko siya, iintindihin ko, huwag kang magbabago. Same ka pa rin kung paano kita nakilala hanggang pagtanda natin.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa matagal natin gustong mangyari. Nandito tayo ngayon hindi dahil sa perpekto ang relasyon natin. Nandito tayo ngayon dahil sigurado tayo sa isang bagay. Napipiliin natin ang isa't isa.
The most stupid things like we were so hard.
Before, I used to pray that by the time I turned 26, I would already be married. It turns out that at 26, dun ko palang makikilala yung lalaking mapapangasawa ko. At ngayong 2026, kami ikakasal. The Lord is truly amazing.
Someday we will be set free. Pray and believe. When the light
Both of you grow toward perfect love because the perfect image of love, which is our Lord Jesus Christ. Ito yung perpekto ng pag-ibig. Kailangan lang ninyong dalawa, yung awa, unawa, at gawa.
Myla, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Martin Roy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
rise from your tears when everything so clear, you'll be safe here.
Martin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Myla na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
Disappears, and when this world seems sincere, you'll be
You are my best friend, my safe place, my greatest blessing, and the love of my life. Today and always, I choose you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life making new memories with you. I love you so much, my husband.
Sa bawat pagkakataon, ikaw lagi ang una kong iisipin. Habang buhay kitang mamahalin, maski sa kabilang buhay, ikaw lang ang aking pipiliin. Myla, mahal na mahal kita. Maraming salamat dahil sa lahat ng pagkakataon, andyan ka pa rin. At simula ngayon, pangako ko, ako naman ang laging andito para sa iyo.
You'll be